Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this chicken wire. This is by the brand Ansby. It is a PVC coated welded wire. I'm going to show you the process of us getting it put up and tell you a little bit more about it. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching. This does come with some really nice wire cutters and some gloves for handling. And this particular roll is 48 inches by 100 feet and it's a 19 gauge wire.
I was super impressed with how well the wire was packaged and how it didn't incur any damage from shipping. Here you can see the 1/2 inch mesh size of the wire and how evenly coated it is.
It still has a little bit of a bend to it, but it's quite firm. It feels very durable and well made.
Rolling out the product was super simple, and to our surprise, it didn't continue to roll up on itself, which made it super convenient to measure and cut. Plus, the wire cutters worked like a charm. It just took a little bit of patience since we had to do one square at a time. Now, as far as installation went, we just built a simple frame around the coop and we stapled the wire to it and then ran it to the fence of the run and got it stapled there. We cut away any unnecessary wire and then continued the process all around the run space.
All right, so it took a few days to get this complete, creating a little cover over the top of the coop and run area just because of rain, but here it is. We created some support posts throughout just to give it some more lift so we could still walk in the area, and just to help with any kind of slack that was created with the weight of the wire hanging, but it turned out great, and this will help deter hawks and other flying predators from getting in, or anything that could climb and possibly jump over. So if you guys were in need of some wire, whether that be for your chickens and other animals or for a garden or even just to build a fence, this is a remarkable product. I would definitely give this a try.